There are two different patterns for different napkins. I use cotton fabric for the inner and the outer layer. Cut them according to the pattern. Pin them right sides together, as you can see how I'm doing here. Sew with a straight stitch and 1 centimeter in seam allowance. Back stitch in the beginning and at the end. Then you fold it so you have the right sides out. Press it like this. Fold like this, and as you can see the opening are overlapping each other, and measure so it is even, and then you pin the short edge like this. Sew the edges with a straight stitch and use a zigzag on the fraying ends. Like this. Flatten the corners like this and measure them so you know that they are even, and you're supposed to sew from the folded edge to the folded edge. You do that on all 4 corners. Turn the right sides out. And now you have something nice to store your napkins in.